guys. Next video, I got $150 in free play. I'm going to run it off on Olvera Street. We can't get any action here. Having an exceptional day. Let's see if we can make it a real exceptional day. $6 spins. Just need some fireballs to line up here. I would take a mini. Bonus rounds can be real nice on this one too, as you all know. So far we have gotten jack. $30 left. Not so much as a promise. Some fireballs. Last spin. Alright guys. That was an $8 profit on 150 in free play. Welcome to my casino. Alright guys. Lightning Link. Just used my free play for a whopping $9 on the Firelink. Switch over to do some $5 bets on Lightning Link. I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of either. I've had big hits, I've had hand pays. I just think for the amount of action they get, it's few and far between. I've had it save some days, I've had it ruin some days. So I understand the appeal to it, but this is what my experience is always on the links. Maybe you feel the same way, maybe you don't. These are videos I don't wish to show. I think you can see these on anybody's channel at any time. And so, we'll see. We'll see how many views it gets. Maybe I'll have a change of heart. But this is what you get on these things on a pretty regular basis. So, and if you agree with me, give this video a thumbs up, because maybe I'm just the most unlucky guy in the world here. All right, well, we got a hold of the spin feature. All crappy denominations like usual. And a $5 bet. Alright, I'll fill it in. Oh, an extra $10 there. Alright, another $10, $5. 2 more spots left. Not enough room for a mini or a major or a minor. And last one. Alright. Oh. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? The coin is actually there. Come on, do it. Did you guys see the coin? Oh man, that made my heart stop. The coin was present. I just didn't get it. $125, not as good as $10,000. I've never seen that coin appear with only one spin left. We're done with the free play. Not too bad, we made a little bit of money. My camera's probably shaking now. I've never seen that coin appear. Come on, bonus me, all right. A bonus. I've never seen it appear in there. Sorry about that, guys. That was $160. We got a big win video here. I've never seen that before. It's getting loud over here. Come on, drop some coins. Why slow down? I'm going to try to get a screenshot of that coin in there. Green trigger would be nice. Oh, it's kicking out the ticket. Okay. Yeah, that was crazy, guys. I got some people that are really going to be interested in watching that one. Oh man, that would have been great. I know there's only a handful of people, if that, 2 or 3 people that I've seen that landed that while video recording. A lot of people showing it after the fact. That would have been epic. I would have never turned this camera off again while gambling. I've said before, I've had some real good success while recording, and I think this is my last spin, guys. All right, like I said, appreciate the views. Subscribe if you want. We'll talk to you later.